Hey everybody, it's Neil, and you can't really check out what I have here because it's too heavy, but it is a hose reel. I'm going to show you guys it here. I'm going to take it out of the box. It also has labels all over it, and I'm not allowed to show you guys labels or I get in trouble. So this is a hose reel. Check this out here by Drincosh. And so what it is it's going to connect up to the wall, or I can just hold it. This one here I actually want to use as sort of portable, so that's going to be my goal on this one here. But I'll show you guys how it all works here. So we have, I'm going to move, I'm going to take out all the pieces and parts, and then I will show you it there. This eventually will mount to the wall. So you see it has the up, it'll mount to the wall, and then this will mount into it like so. I don't want it to clip in because I don't want it to be permanent right now, but you get the idea. It'll be like that on the wall and it'll rotate around. So this is going to solve the problem of the hose here that just gets tangled up constantly. Okay, and so we are given different pieces and parts here. Let's see what we got. Comes with a hose sprayer. These are nice to have. So this one here, it's like a single-handed kind of one there, off and down, and then you can have the different heads there. We'll try that. Comes with an instruction manual, and that's everything. Okay, oh, and then so the instruction manual, that, and then we have a hose and some mounting screws so we can mount the bracket to the wall. So let's see what we got here. So here we go. So I'm not gonna mount those currently because I told you I was gonna take it with me for some of my RVing stuff that I need for the season. This is gonna stay in the RV so I can fill up with water and I go visit people's houses and stuff and not have to be too close. Okay, so this, I'll show you hooking it up. Let me see if I can do this here. I'm gonna close this box up and I will put it on top of the box so we can see what we're doing. Okay, let's see. Now, you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so this hose here screws on the back here. There's just a hose connector. So as I screw that on here, okay, and then this will connect up to your hose bib. For me right now, I'm just hooking it to the end of this current hose, just for usage purposes here. And I think this is a half-inch hose, so it's gonna have pretty decent flow. I'm hooking it up to a huge hose. This one here is just industrial. Okay, so there we go. So that is it here. We have it. The way this will work is you'll pull it out and then it'll stay out. And then when you want to go back in again, you give it a little tug and it goes back in again. So you can pull it out. I think this is 100 feet. Let me see, what does it say? I don't know if it says, but I think it's pretty sure it is. And what does this one say here? It says, oh, try not to let it bang in when it's doing retraction. Okay, so let's see. So let's close this up here. So here we go. We have the hose on the reel. Everything's tied up. We'll turn on some water. And I'm going to turn this on. And I hear the air going, so it's coming through. And it's going through the whole thing there, so it's going to take a few minutes here for it to fill up because it's just air. And there we go. Now we have water coming out. So this is on the fan mode, full, jet, cone, flat, center, angle. Oh, that's weird. It has an angle. I don't know why you'd ever use that. Shower. Okay, so you have all these different ones. Oh, mist. Okay, shower. Okay, and then you have this here for the volume control. So look at that, and then it turns off and it stays off, which is nice. Okay, so we have all of that, and then we can go ahead and pull out our hose. I want to pull out a bunch of this. I can just keep pulling and pulling and pulling right there, like all this stuff here, and get it out here. So then I can go wherever I want to go and do my watering wherever it is. Oh, I guess I turned it to angle. So do my watering and everything, and then when I'm done, I can go ahead and give it a tug. I'm just going to do it from right over here. You give it a little tug, and I'll show you guys it from the front here so you can see what's happening. When I give it the tug, like you see this little piece here is moving over, so it's going to be lining up. It's going to be rolling up back onto the wheel as it goes. So then watch when I let it. Oh. See, as it's going back in, it's making it nice and even, so it's kind of cleaning itself up, organizing, and there it is. So now we're back to retracted. So how cool is that? So nice to have a self-retracting wheel so you don't have a whole mess of hose like that. So I'm gonna say this one here is a total winner. And this one here, I got the little Drincosh, pick it up, totally winner, thumbs up.